Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm so excited because I am going to be unboxing this Voxbox that I just got from the app Influenster, which if you're not familiar with Influenster, I love it because you can get free products and you don't have to be like an influencer, like you don't have to have a big social media following. Anyone can sign up for the app, it's totally free, and what you do is just write reviews on products, on stores, on foods, like pretty much anything. And then companies will work with Influencer to send out products to different people in the following so then they can post about them, review them, and it's really easy and so much fun. I've gotten a few other boxes before. I've gotten beauty products, self-care products, pet products. They pretty much have everything on Influenster. So I'll see if I can find some way to link in the description down below my link on how to download Influenster, because it's really fun too if you just want to go on that app to try and figure out if a product is worth buying, because there are so many reviews. And then within the product reviews, people can post pictures, which are so helpful. You could post questions and then anyone can respond to you if you have a question on a product. Ooh, this is a beautiful, exciting box. So it says new Fructis treats, shampoo and conditioner, 98% naturally derived ingredients. This is a big box. I don't usually get boxes this big from Influenster. So let's just see what's in here. Oh my gosh, these are like full-size products. The Fructis treats, shampoos and conditioners, a new way to nourish hungry hair. Ooh, vegan formula, no animal-derived ingredients, recyclable bottle, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants. That is so my type of product, recyclable, vegan product. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first product I'll pull out here, wow, like these bottles look so different than the typical shampoo bottles I'm used to. This is their Hydrating Treat Shampoo. More moisture, less weigh down, plus aloe extract. It cleanses, nourishes, and hydrates for normal hair. So it looks like I got the hydrating version, but there are 4 different Fructis treats, shampoos and conditioner sets. They have the damaging repair, smoothing, nourishing, and hydrating. All of those sound awesome. Like I would be happy with any of those because I feel like my hair could use all of those different types of treatments. So this is from Garnier, I think it's pronounced Garnier, Garnier Fructis. I used to use Garnier Fructis products all of the time growing up. And then here is the Hydrating Treat Conditioner, Detangle, Nourish, and Hydrate. And then they also sent over the Hydrating Treat 1-minute hair mask. Love this. This is a huge container for a hair mask. Oh, and I love that you can use this 3 ways. You can use it as a mask, which after shampoo, apply to wet hair and leave on for 1 minute, rinse. As a conditioner, after shampooing, apply to the hair root to tip and rinse. Or as a leave-in, apply on damp hair for frizz control and lasting hydration. That's awesome that you can get 3 different uses out of this. I am so excited. I still don't have much of a sense of smell, so let's see. Oh my gosh. I love how this smells. It smells so clean and fresh. I remember just always loving the smell of Garnier Fructis products. So this is so exciting. I can't wait to try these out. And I just love that it's 98% naturally derived ingredients, because that's just so the type of products that I'm trying to use more. So I'm really excited about this new line. I'm definitely going to use these out, and then I'll let you know probably in my vlogs how I've been liking these. I feel like that's a good place for me to give you feedback, and also I will put on the Influenster app my reviews there as well. Wow, I feel really lucky that I got these really nice full-size products for free sent to me from Influenster, but anyone can get free products from Influencer like I was saying, so I highly recommend signing up. And I would love to know in the comments down below, if you use Influenster, what products have you received for free? What Voxboxes have you gotten? I always find that so interesting to hear what kind of products get sent out from Influencer, because there are so many products being sent out. I've really loved everything I got so far, so I'm really hopeful about these products here. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.